Are you looking for a school cleaner job in the UK? In this video, we'll guide you through the process of finding school cleaner jobs with the help of Team Staffing Agency, the recruitment experts. Learn about the role, the skills needed, and how Team Staffing Agency can connect you with the best opportunities. Overview of the school cleaner role. Define the primary responsibilities of a school cleaner, including cleaning classrooms, hallways, restrooms, and common areas. Discuss the significance of maintaining cleanliness and hygiene in schools to ensure a safe and pleasant environment for students and staff. Essential skills and qualifications. List the key skills required for a school cleaner, such as attention to detail, reliability, and the ability to work independently. Mention any preferred qualifications, such as previous cleaning experience, knowledge of cleaning techniques, and the ability to use cleaning equipment. Benefits of working as a school cleaner. Discuss the benefits of this role, including job stability, flexible hours, and the opportunity to contribute to the well-being of students. Highlight any additional perks, such as health benefits, retirement plans, and opportunities for career advancement within the cleaning industry. Finding school cleaner jobs with Team Staffing Agency. Introduce Team Staffing Agency as a leading recruitment expert specializing in school cleaner jobs. Explain how Team Staffing Agency connects job seekers with reputable schools and educational institutions looking for cleaning staff. How to register with Team Staffing Agency. Provide a step-by-step guide on how to register with Team Staffing Agency, including submitting your CV and attending interviews. Highlight the support and resources offered by the agency, such as resume assistance, interview preparation, and ongoing career advice. Job search strategies. Share effective job search strategies for finding school cleaner jobs, including utilizing job boards, networking, and leveraging Team Staffing Agency's expertise. Discuss the importance of tailoring your CV and cover letter to highlight relevant skills and experience. Success stories. Share inspiring success stories of individuals who secured school cleaner jobs through Team Staffing Agency and achieved job satisfaction. Emphasize the impact of using a reputable staffing agency in finding the right job fit and advancing in the cleaning industry. Thank you for watching our guide on how to find school cleaner jobs in the UK. For more information and to connect with job opportunities, visit Team Staffing Agency and start your journey to a rewarding cleaning career today. Get in touch with us or go to the website for further details. hts/tempingagency.com, info@tempingagency.com.